like the additional money I've made since starting the pro path has already kind of paid for it. We're only going into the second quarter of it.
For an example, I went from coaching 6 classes a day, 5 days a week, to now I coach 3 classes every other day.
Our revenue did like its first jump that it hadn't done. Like it was basically like we finally just like broke through that ceiling that we have been stuck at for 2 years.
And I did make the sale, and then the next person that I talked to, I tried to follow the same format, made the sale. The next person made the sale. And they kept getting these $1,000 sales.
I can't even imagine what else we could get out of it. Every time we come, it's just knowledge bombs. Like I love being around everyone who's here for the same reason, and I think I have no idea what to expect, and that's the great thing about it, is that I can't even imagine how much higher we can climb.
I think just explaining the whys of things rather than just telling you do it this way and that's it, and just based on their experience, that's been the most important thing for us to kind of buy into it.
Just the mindset shift of things, that was huge, because we started to see the need for one-on-one training. And then getting over a big part was me, I did so much stuff for free. Like I did tons of things for free. So
also knowing that it was probably the best avenue available for providing careers for my coaches. And as far as keeping my business afloat, if I don't provide careers for coaches, I'm not going to have coaches around to take care of my members. So the most important thing is to help take care of the coaches and provide an avenue for them to provide for themselves.
This is like the whole gamut. This is everything. This is your numbers, your structure, your knowledge, your experience. Practice in front of a video, be professional. I mean, it is absolutely everything. And for us, that it just kind of helps us set up a really good system and gives our coaches, especially the 2 that came with us on this trip, they're super excited to get back and get rolling. So,
and that there are tons of micro gyms in our city, but there's only going to be one that is able to solve this problem.